What's up, YouTube? Today it's time to pick a winner in my contest from last month. I apologize that I'm a little bit late doing it this month, but I promise I'm back on track now. And I'm also going to show you my really cool software, what it can do. I've personally been using it and I'm getting amazing results. I'm so excited to share it with you. It's all coming right up right after this. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear fedora everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. First of all, I review software and info products and then make money online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, seriously, these fine people actually bother to look at my reviews. If you looked, you would know what was crap and what wasn't. He never looks and he complains. Really a bad apple, this Bart guy. He complains all the time. I also do a lot of videos on my... Thank you, Liz Lemon. She's such the opposite of Bart, isn't she? She's so sweet. She says that every single time. It's always such a sweetheart to see it, to hear her say that. Now, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when dropping new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and comment down below. And by the way, you're going to see why that's really important, especially in this video. Comment down below. And let's get right into this. So it's time to pick a winner. Now, before we do that, I do want to show you just how cool this software really is, because I think that a lot of people don't even realize just what it does. So I want to show you, first of all, this is one of my actual squeeze pages that I am personally using for collecting leads. And you can see it doesn't look like the usual squeeze page. There's no space to put in your email here. And so it's kind of weird. You know, you might, all you can do here is click this button. That's it. Now, what it's going to do for you is, well, let me tell you. By the way, this button can literally be anything. It can say instant access here, but you can literally have anything you want as a button. It doesn't even have to be a button.
Anything? Yes, anything.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, literally anything. Like I've seen people use like a picture of a dog and it says "tap my nose," stuff like that. You could literally have anything you want here, and you know, anything will work. So literally anything you like. Now, when somebody just click this link, what it does is two things. It automatically opens up an email. You can see it's opening up an email right here for me, and it's going to send it to this special address that I've set up. And once it does that, it's going to automatically add their primary email address into my autoresponder service. This especially works well on like a mobile phone, for example, because a lot of people, when they're on a mobile phone, it'll automatically open up their Gmail account or Yahoo Mail, whatever it is. But it even works if somebody's on a desktop at the office, because you'll get their office emails. The only time it really might not work is if somebody's on a desktop at home. Then most people don't use an email client at home. But let's face it, how many people actually are visiting a website at home on their desktop computer? Most people are either doing it when they're bored at the office or they're going and browsing on their phones, which means that basically you're going to get the best opt-ins possible with this software. It's really cool. You can see also automatically forwarded me. I'm not going to go and send this right now because I already am obviously included on this thing. But and also going to forward you to whatever thank you page or even just a tripwire offer that you like. This is a tripwire offer that I have on my opt-in page, and it's a really cool offer if you want to go pick it up. Anyhow.
Yeah, and it's got all kinds of cool features too.
Actually, yeah, it does have some really cool features on it. I'm super excited about it. Actually, my developer is busy adding more features. I'm not going to show you everything, but suffice to say, it's really totally awesome stuff. It's really cool. The software is going to be officially released on July 29th, but one lucky subscriber today is going to be winning a free early bird copy of the software right now. And I did want to show you the actual software here. You can see here, this is what it looks like. My developer is going to be adding more features to it, but you can see here, this is the actual members area. Don't bother trying to use this URL because you do need to have a membership in order to access it. It will boot you out of the software if you don't have the membership. But basically what you do is you're going to put in your image URL for your button. And again, the button can be literally anything you like. You do get a few free buttons included with the software. You can also add a Google AdWords tracking ID so that you can do Google remarketing. And you have to put in a special email address that people are going to email to you. Obviously, you put subject line and name and the text. And then over here, you can choose where you want the thing to forward to after people tap or click the button that you saw on my squeeze page. You just click generate code, you get a little piece of code, you paste it into your website, and boom, you're done. It's very easy, and it's super cool what it does. Okay, so last month I made an offer to give away one free copy of the software, and we're going to take a look over here. We have here 22 comments. Right? Actually, not all these are obviously actually comments. Some of them are me replying to people. So amongst these people, one of these people is going to get a free early bird access to the software. I'm going to be handing it out to you right now. Let's go over to, let's pick a random number. Okay, and so let's count how many people we actually have here who commented. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 people. Okay, so out of these 9 people, one person is going to get a free copy of the software, and we're basically going to count it from oldest to newest. So let's go ahead and sort these by newest first. So the oldest comment is going to be Wealth Jadiz. I think you actually won last month's contest as well. The newest one is going to be Barbara Oakman. One of you is going to actually win a free copy of my software. So we have 9 people. Let's go ahead and let Google generate a random number for us. Let's see who won. Number 2 is the winner. Let's check who number 2 is. Okay, number 2 is my good friend Ike. Okay, Ike, congratulations. You just won yourself a free copy of Boost Opt-in. You won a copy of Boost Opt-in. Go and contact me on Facebook to get it. Okay, so congratulations, Ike, from Internet Marketing Jim. You just won a free copy. And if you would like to actually win a free copy as well, I am running this contest again. This is going to be my front end video for this channel for the month of June. And you are able to actually win a free copy of the software. You're gonna you can see there were only 9 people who commented here. It's not like the competition is massive, that there's going to be hundreds upon hundreds of people. So you have a really, really good chance of winning the software. It's going to have a front end price of $37, and that's going to be like a special price. It's going to go up to $97 after the launch is over. So you're talking about something that has real value. You're getting completely for free. And you can see that the competition isn't all that much. There's not a whole lot of competition here in order to win. So go ahead and basically, in order to get it, go ahead and comment down below. If you are not a subscriber to the channel yet, all you got to do is go up here. Okay, well, you're going to see, obviously, because this is my channel, it's not showing it to me, but you're going to see basically it'll say subscribe. Just click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean anything here on YouTube anymore. And that's pretty much it. And at the end of June, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to go and check all the different comments on this video, and I'm going to pick one random winner, just like you saw me do now. One random winner is going to be awarded a free copy of Boost Opt-in. So go ahead and get in on it while you can. Don't end up having to spend money for it. You're going to get it for free. I want to give it away to you for free. Now, everybody, by the way, is a winner here, regardless if you go ahead and comment down below, and you just subscribe. It doesn't matter, even if you don't win, everybody gets a free copy of a course that I licensed from this guy, that, for those who don't know, is Paul Counts. He's a friend of mine. He is a multimillionaire who has been doing this for about 20 years now, making money online. He's going to teach you everything he knows all about making money online in this free course that I have licensed from him for you. Every single person who comments below is going to get a free copy. All you got to do is find me on Facebook, and I will go ahead and send you your free course. Okay, it's completely free. There's no opt-ins required. There's nothing required to do. All you got to do is comment and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That's it. Super easy, super simple. Go ahead, grab it, see your success today, and I will see you on the next video.